Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is all IGBOTIC no. Yes. So guys, I've been getting this question. Why are you teaching Igbo language on social media? Why are you teaching Igbo language on YouTube? It doesn't fit you. I know some people might say, who said that? I am telling you, people actually send that to me. Stop asking me or stop asking people why they do the things they're doing, especially when the things they're doing are right things, right? Me teaching my mother's tongue, not your mother's tongue. How is it wrong? Okay, I'm going to be telling you guys why I am teaching Igbo on YouTube and TikTok. I'm an Igbo girl. I don't know if you people don't know I'm an Igbo girl. Okay, I'm saying it now. I'm an Igbo girl. 2, I started speaking Igbo right from when I was little. So extensively, I can categorically tell you, and I put it, that I can teach somebody that doesn't know how to speak Igbo at all, to an extent that the person becomes good and fluent, right? Am I making sense? 3, I'm in this part of the world that if I don't speak Igbo to my children, they will not know how to speak Igbo. So the responsibility is on my head and that of my husband for them to learn how to speak their mother's tongue. So if I'm so much intentional on teaching them this language and wasting, what will I even say? It is not easy, it's difficult. When you're listening to them to know if they're playing and talking in Igbo, you are being so intentional that everything that comes out from your mouth is Igbo language. Yeah, so it's extremely intentional. Do you know how difficult it is? Even when I was speaking Igbo, I usually add English and English together. People that are born in the eastern part of Nigeria will understand what I'm saying. Most times we speak Igbo and add it. But right now, I will make sure I don't add it a single English. That is me, that my brain is processing at every second, at every minute, that everything that comes out of my mouth must be in Igbo. And I asked myself, if I can go extensively like this, why don't I open a channel? Be putting my efforts there. Possibly when these kids are about 6, 7, 8 years, I can be giving them assignment there. Go and study one of my video, this one. When you study it, come back and tell me what you learned. Then you can do this, you can play game, you can do this, you can do that. So my most inspiration of teaching Igbo on YouTube and every other of my social media platform, my Instagram is the same name, my TikTok the same name, my YouTube the same name. So I told myself, if I can go this far with the stress, with the intentionalism in it, why don't you open an Igbo channel? So that if in turn your hard work can even pass, well, maybe we don't know. So have you seen the reason why? If these reasons I gave you are not good enough for you, I don't think I can do anything for you again. Make sure you share my videos and bring people on board on this platform so we can relate. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye. My lip is sleeping. Maybelline. Well,